YouTube kittens! It's Cathy Cat, and today finally Lolita Lucky Pack unboxing has come. La 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 la, the most wonderful time of the year, January, and there is a Lolita Lucky Pack that this year I actually wanted, and surprise, it wasn't Angelic Pretty because I'm breaking my Angelic Pretty chain this year. It's actually Metamorphose. Don't forget, I've already done quite a lot of Lucky Pack videos, and I will be doing more over the next few days. It's very exciting, so subscribe now so you don't miss the other Lucky Pack videos that are gonna come up over January. So yes, let's do that. Ta-da! Metamorphose had, this time they had different types of Lucky Packs. They had a shirt dress, which is called Snow Party. They also had a Snow Party skirt with bloomers, which was also a really good idea. That was only 9,000 yen. But there was one, there's this one here that I wanted, and that was actually the very first thing I dashed to get, and that's called Tailor's Bear. Tailor's Bear! Yeah. If you are actually interested in getting a Lucky Pack and you can't go on the 1st of January, your chance is the 2nd of January because Mari Annex in Shinjuku starts their sale on the 2nd. So that's what we did. We stood in line, like waiting in the queue, and I was like, oh my gosh. And then once they open the gates, then you go to whichever floor you want to go. So loads of other people who go to other stores will go and get their Lucky Bags, and I went straight to Metamorphose. Luckily enough, they still had exactly the color and the skirt I wanted, and this was the last one. And I got mine straight in the store, as I was really glad that I could get this. However, whoever was gonna go and get Angelic Pretty, they had to stand in line for like an hour on the stairs, down the stairs and stuff. That was crazy. But I went to Meta, and the staff at Meta already knows me because I go in there quite a lot. So this one was only 6,000 yen. That's a real bargain for a Lolita skirt with socks and one piece of accessory. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this is. Right now I'm wearing also Metamorphose, and there's Metamorphose here. Those are some of the dresses I bought. So Japanese Lolita Lucky Packs are a really good thing if you're thinking of starting Lolita fashion, and the reason for that is because you will get a brand new piece of brand. It will not be a fake, and it will not be secondhand. It will be a brand new piece, which means it also will be in season because it will be quite recent generally when they produce it, and they generally produce it for that time. So you know, the year you buy a Lucky Pack will also be the year that dress is released, or it's like a re-release, but generally it is a new thing. It is your thing. No one else has ever worn it. It feels amazing. And the second thing, obviously, it is cheaper, a lot cheaper than when you actually go and buy yourself a new dress in store. It will be cheaper, and it will also have different items already matching with it, so you can't get wrong. So for example, if it comes with a blouse and socks, those blouse and socks will already fit that corded perfectly, which means you can already wear it like that. Usually, generally, the only things you need to get if you get a full Lucky Pack is you get yourself a good blouse with it, unless it already comes with a blouse. Get yourself some shoes. That's pretty generally you can already go out on the streets with what you wore from a Lucky Pack. So I think for starters, it's a great idea. It is not too expensive, and it will be in season. I think it's a great thing. I think Lucky Packs are like the most exciting thing that come out. But this year, actually, instead of a full dress, I went with the skirt because I loved the print on that skirt. I've seen it online. You could reserve some of those online, and you could pre-reserve them in the stores as well. But this skirt was sold out online. So when I came back from Germany, it was gone. So that's why I had to do the dash in the morning. So I dashed up, and then we're like the Lucky Bags there, and I was like scan it all, and they had it still in different colors, but this is my favorite color. Let's unpack, the bag. Woohoo! I love how they like very gently wrap this up here. I must say, Metamorphose, the staff are the nicest people. They're so friendly, they're so cute, and they put so much effort into the Western market. They really try to be in touch. You can see that they have like an English Twitter as well. They try to use and implement quite a lot of English to get customers from outside. So definitely check them out. Okay, this is the set, What did I get? Oh, the excitement. Let's start with the socks. Ta-da! Oh, 23 till 25 foot size, says that on the top. Oh, it's like a laced up kind of like ballerina thing. It goes crosswise over, and it has gold and off-white. So you can see it's a slightly different shape from my white. There's a kind of slight off-white, but not too off-white, which I appreciate. Very classical. And it says Metamorphose here at the heel. It says Metamorphose here. I like the material. It's very stretchy as well. Stretch. Which is what you want, especially if you have like calves like mine. I have quite round calves, so here we go. my special piece of accessory apparently is different. So, ooh, pearls, pearly pearls. La 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 la. Oh, 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 oh! That's wonderful! That is such a nice idea. That will actually go with what I have now. So you actually tie it behind your back with a cute little bow here. Isn't that wonderful? It's like it gives you the volume at the front, but then you have like a nice bow in the back. And if you put your hair up, you can actually see it. Also, you can adjust the length. So if you want to have it longer or shorter, that is just right there. I'm just going straight into my clothes. I should probably wear that later. So yeah, love my piece of accessory. Thank you, Metamorphose. And it has the M from Metamorphose right here on the chain, if you can see that, so you know it's actually original Metamorphose accessory. But now for the main thing. Here is the skirt. Here's the skirt. And that's the Tailor's Bear skirt. So as you can see, a very, very classical part. It's kind of checked tartan. What do you call that in English? It's kind of a tartan thing. And if you can look around, it has loads of tailor motifs there, so you can kind of imagine the tailor. So you have like bits of string here, and you have some buttons, and you have some pins, and you have the tailor's walking stick and the tailor's top hat. So you can kind of theme it all around that world. And since I do actually like sewing, if I have the time, actually is one of the things, if I have the time, then it's one of the things I like doing. So I kind of want to make this in a kind of tailor theme, the posh little tailor. So you can see this is more classical than what I usually wear, but it's red, it's green, and it's kind of exciting. Also, it has shearing all the way around. Just look how much this stretches. So this will fit so many sizes, so I'm really, really glad. So Lolitas all across the world, you can enjoy this, so I'm glad about that. And then the lace is very, very thick lace, which I appreciate as well. It's not the thin flimsy stuff, it's very, very thick, sturdy lace that comes with it. So it socks and the accessories and the skirt for 6,000 yen. That's actually a really good bargain. And I think I'm going to transform into that. So transformation time! Bling. So you can see how it laces up here with the socks. I picked black shoes because later on I coordinated this all with black. Then we have the skirt, and it feels out really, really lovely. It gives so much nice poofy volume. I love it very, very, very much. When you come up, I coordinated this actually with a black belt here, and I think that kind of works because it hides the shearing nicely, so you can wear it on top of the blouse. So, and here is the necklace, which works lovely on top of the blouse, and I coordinated that with a top hat. It's not a posh quality top hat, but I thought it would work really well because obviously it has the top hat on the actual dress. So this is how I coordinated it. It's very different from what I usually wear, but I really like it. It has a bit of a classical touch to it, so won't go out of style for a long time. And I think if you wanted to, you can actually steampunk this up as well, just depending on how you accessorize it. So loads of opportunities with just one skirt and one Lucky Pack set. This was the Tailor's Bear coordinate that I created with my new Lucky Pack Tailor's Bear, and I'm really happy. It actually has a type that you can make it classic, but you can also steampunk it up. So I'm thinking of maybe making this my steampunk skirt because it has like brown and it has a bit of green and the reds. It's really good. So what I also think is a good idea to take like a little thing of string that you'd use, and then use that as a necklace instead to kind of go with the tailor theme. So whatever you always find on the dress, on the skirt, on the print, incorporate that into your style, and it's fun. Just enjoy it. I'm enjoying this very much. I enjoy the necklace here. I actually added this belt. I think this belt was a good idea to give it a different touch, and since there was a top hat on the dress, I was like, yay, I have a little top hat here. So that was the Metamorphose Lucky Bag Tailor's Bear skirt that I got out today. I'm very, very happy because if you think about it, generally socks, Lolita socks, when you buy them new are 3,000 yen anyways, and if you pay 6,000 yen for it, you know, it's a super good bargain. It's a very, very good bargain. They're also having a sale on their page right now, so I already looked at the sale a little bit as well because I'm kind of tempted. One thing I decided last year, and I didn't make a big announcement or anything about it, but when I saw that Kara went out of print, that the Gothic Lolita Bible went out of print, and lots of things were changing in the world, I decided I'm going to be a bit more selective about what and where and how I buy fashion, I generally try now to buy the fashion from the actual brands. Now, I know that's not an option for everyone, but I try to look if they have a sale on, if they maybe have a sale on, so just see if they're cheaper. So try to get them from the actual brands, either on sale or get them new. And for example, Metamorphose, they announced that the Sapporo store is closing, so I just think I look at these news and I'm just going like, I like these brands, I want to support them, so that's why I'm trying to buy from Metamorphose directly as possible. So my rule for this year is no secondhand Metamorphose. So that was my unpacking. I actually bought something very, very special at Metamorphose that day, and I can't show it to you yet. I'm gonna make that in a separate video so you can look forward to that. I've actually bought quite a lot of other fashion related Lolita fashion and style and Harajuku fashion lucky bags from Japan. There are videos and there will be more videos coming up, so be sure to check the playlist at the end of the video and subscribe so you don't miss the new videos that are gonna come up soon, super soon. If you missed out on any other of the lucky bag videos, there is a playlist, check it out. On that note, I wanted to start a discussion here. What is your favorite Lolita brand? What is your favorite print of a Lolita brand? And which dress or skirt got you into Lolita alternative fashion? Let me know. And if you don't wear Lolita fashion at all, that's totally fine. Let me know what favorite brand you have. Is there anything kind of clothes that you like or that you always wanted to wear but you never got to wear them because they're too expensive or something? Let me know. Looking forward to reading your comments. And as always, life is short, so do what you love what you do. Thank you very much for watching. Let's spread the positive atmosphere and be nice to each other, guys. Catch you soon. Bye.